Helping verbs. Usually, verbs show actions or states. These verbs name main verbs. But verbs can also help other verbs. These verbs name helping verbs. Example:
Monkeys eat bananas. The monkeys are eating bananas. Mark is in London. Maria has been in London.
Main verbs have full lexical meaning. They can be used singly. Helping verbs have no lexical meaning, but they have grammatical functions. Helping verbs are usually placed before main verbs and help them. Example:
Mark reads books. Mark is reading a book.
The grammatical functions of helping verbs. Helping verbs help to express the tense, mood, or voice of the main verbs. Example: Mike repairs my car. The helping verb helps to express the tense.
Mike has repaired my car.
The helping verb helps to express the mood.
Does Mike repair my car?
The helping verb helps to express the voice.
My car is repaired by Mike.
There can be two or more helping verbs in a sentence. Example:
My car has been repaired by Mike.
Basic helping verbs. There are 3 basic helping verbs in English. We use do to ask questions or make negatives in simple tenses.
Tigers run fast. Do tigers run fast? Tigers do not run fast.
Tom plays guitar. Does Tom play guitar? Tom does not play guitar.
we watch TV? Did we watch TV? We did not watch TV.
We use be to make continuous tenses and make the passive voice.
The children are playing. Are the children playing? The children are not playing. The breakfast was prepared. Was the breakfast prepared? The breakfast was not prepared.
And we use have to make perfect tenses.
The door has opened. Has the door opened? The door has not opened.
These helping verbs can also be used as main verbs. Example:
I do my homework. I do not play games. Anna is in a restaurant. Anna is eating. I have a car. I have broken the car.
Another helping verb, will, is used to form future tenses.
He will come tomorrow. Will he come tomorrow? He will not come tomorrow.
Find main verbs and helping verbs. Do you wake up early?
Yes, I do my morning exercises.
The main verbs show actions. The helping verb, do, helps the main verb to express the mood.
I am in a taxi. My car is broken.
The main verbs show state or action. The helping verb helps the main verb to express the voice.
We have pizza. We have bought this pizza.
The main verbs show state or action. The helping verb helps the main verb to express the tense.
Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.